your umbrella for today, really, and also as we move into the weekend. Perhaps a dry day tomorrow, but let's look at the rain we've got right now. Some quite wet weather through Northern Ireland and parts of Scotland, slowly sinking its way southwards. We'll find much clearer conditions moving into the north of Scotland. That'll follow to the rest of Scotland later on today, but also colder conditions as well. But for the wet weather, we've got Northern England and Northern Ireland seeing some of that heavy rain for the rest of the afternoon. That's going to lead to some quite difficult driving conditions. But there is a little bit of brightness here and there, perhaps in the north of Scotland eventually as those slightly clearer skies move through, but colder air as well, and a hint of perhaps some brighter conditions along the south coast. But don't hold your breath if you want sunshine today. It's a cloudy story with plenty of spots of rain, but quite a mild one in the south. We're looking at 12, 13, perhaps even into North Wales, 14 degrees. The effects of the mountains and those strong southwesterly winds giving some quite high temperatures. The other side of the line of rain, though, much colder conditions moving into Scotland. Some of the showers here could eventually fall to sleet and snow over the mountains. And that rain band will slowly move its way southwards with the colder air following in behind. So frost-free in the south, but the other side of that weather front, quite a drop in temperatures, and the further north you go, the lower the temperatures will be, with quite a widespread frost, for instance, over a good part of Scotland. Eventually that colder air will move away to the south coast, so all of us are going to see a change in temperatures, certainly over the next 24 hours or so. But a short-lived, brief, dry interlude is perhaps the best way to describe it before more rain comes in from the southwest. And we see these weather fronts bringing the milder air off the Atlantic, with them some quite strong winds, but also I think we're going to see some rain at times as well. So Thursday, tomorrow's forecast, the best day of the week really. We'll find some patchy rain clearing away from the south. Elsewhere, lots of sunshine to enjoy, just a few wintry showers, and a top temperature quite a bit cooler than we've seen today at just 9 or 10 degrees. An overnight frost through Thursday night and into Friday morning. But I think Friday starting off dry, but we will see some sunshine. We won't see much in the way of frost, I think, over the forthcoming weekend. Perhaps a hint of the colder air to come back as we move into the early part of next week. That's a long way off right now. So frosty start on Friday morning, some more rain moving in from the west, and eventually that rain should move through. Patchy in nature on Saturday, but quite a rise in temperatures again. We're looking into the weekend, no lower really than around 10 or 11 degrees for many parts of the United Kingdom. Now Europe has some quite cold air compared to ourselves. Rome just 9 degrees, 12 just Athens. That was a few hours ago, so we were warmer than those prime locations, but it is going to get colder, and we find a weather front moving down from the north. The same one introducing our colder air will eventually bring some snow for the high ground of the Alps, and of course that's good news for skiers. And if you are a skier and you are interested